Hello, I'm Kevin Bedgood, and I want to talk about the new 70-30-40 Rikon lathe. It's really quite an amazing machine, some good new technology to it. It's a 3 horsepower, 220 power, okay? Over the bed here, as it sits, you're slightly over 23 inches. And here's the real magic of this machine. I unlock this, I can do this. I have a sliding bed. This will take between centers all the way out to 40, and from here to the lower bed is just over 31-inch swing. That should cover most any turnings for the vast majority of people. You'll use your existing banjo, can drop down to the lower bed. There's an additional post that drops in it, a post extender that brings it up so you can use the same banjo from the lower bed for your 30+ diameter turnings. Nice tool rest down there, tool stand down there. Now, it is belt changes. Low end, 20 RPM. High end, 3850. This is one of the easiest belt changes I've ever seen. Open this. Drop it down, lock it, I can change my belts. Back, and off we go. Another really neat feature to this machine, your controls are magnetic. So they can be set up anywhere on the machine. I can set it on the bed, I can set it down here, wherever it's convenient for you when you're turning. Particularly if you're turning larger stuff, I'm going to want it down on that end of the machine. It runs nice and smooth. Right now, that's 4,000 RPM. Nice, smooth, stable, consistent power. Hit my off button, stops very quickly. Forward, reverse. I can unlock my bed, close it back up if I don't need it long. Runs all the way up. There is a slight gap that is left up front intentionally. We don't want anything getting pinched in there. We'll run that all the way back up. Lock it down. Bring my tailstock up. Comes with a 60-degree live center on the back. Door for storage, little magnetic. Very nice machine overall. Hard to beat it. 36-point index head. Okay, you can sit right there for your index. It is not a spindle lock. So if you're going to take your chuck off, wrenches come with it. Off comes my chuck. Very nice machine. Another couple of features. We have our tool stand right on the side of the lathe. You can put, it's already set up for your post extension, all the Allen wrenches, your knockout bar, your 2 wrenches that you're going to use when it comes time to remove your chuck. All set up, nice, well organized, and easily accessible.
Hi there, I'm Kevin. I'm an amazing wood turner. This lathe is almost as amazing as I am, I have to tell you. It does some remarkable things, not nearly as remarkable as I do, but what can I say? Whee! Just riding my new lathe.